Asutusketju Pormestarin peräsi Alahangantie. So we're in Pormestarinluoto Pori staircase B. In 2018, 4323 1267.
Loud clunk.
Yeah.
Rare on 4th generation Nicodis.
Yeah. This is one of the best 4th generation Nicodis I have seen, or monospace. So. Because in new buildings they have stainless steel caps and then not so loud.
Yeah. This one replaced the V-series.
Yeah.
We unfortunately got it filmed before replacement.
Yeah.
2017.
Yeah. But just one staircase or?
Yeah, but that's still better than nothing.
Yeah. 5 per so 400 kilograms. Inspected by and maintained by Kone. That's